protect my own, protect my own. Face. Say my words unto the wisest. Touch and such. It's out here in this jungle. Marcia. About to protect my own. Yo, 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 yo. Give thanks. Yo 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 yo. Don't touch operations and such, 'cause out here in this jungle we roll. That is so my own, protect my own. Jamaica Good Life, I promote John's John. Where I get the transmission. So I make history right now. Look here, if you care about long, hey, they're on film. Hey! So what John do, buy the car, them, and so basically we're taking a transmission of an engine. Them Jamaican are normal to ride, and more money they make doing that way. There are people that are normal. What's that? Whatever I want is a plant. So you have solenoid too for the vaccine? You have a solenoid for the vaccine? Solenoid. What name? 2 axle them, right?
Oh, you want the axle?
What them call them? And at the back we balance the wheel at the front. The axle rod. Not solenoid, sorry, axle rod. For the front of the car, the tool.
Right, that's the axle rod.
And
Is the axle rod?
so the axle rod, maybe. I don't know it name. Okay. Wow. People up on this place. Anything you want.
This I feel vaccine this one. I feel vaccine them.
Yeah, some of them are vaccine.
Alright. Eh?
See vaccine one right here.
How much are these?
35.
So what are they called?
Axel.
Axle rod.
No man, that's the axle.
That's the
I don't know
axle.
about the rod.
Okay. And your shocks them not
Rod,
too
no,
expensive
rod,
for
man.
the the shocks for the vaccine.
The shocks.
Yeah.
That's the back shocks over there.
The back shocks.
Yeah.
And how much for them?
The back shocks are 7 grand.
7 grand. And the front shocks? 25. Alright. 25.
Wait a second.
20,
No, we have to check down our service now.
2,500?
25,000.
For the front shocks. You know, so I think I change my front shocks them already. But the back one, them I think I change them. Alright, let's get back to the Vaxi King. Yes, people, see it there? Around there. I get a transmission from Japan. I roach back this up, what me I saw? Okay, a rat. What things are ratness?
And I be like, I read on the news.
The first time I ever see a transmission get pulled off, you know. I build computers from scratch, you know, so no matter things I can't take a job. You see me, give me 2 days. So how long you know the mechanical business? Mm.
What me tell you, sir? Construction, you come and do and end up tonight.
One day the mechanic never come to work. And them call and say, yo, Bengi, come over here and start to screw ya. Wow. That was 8 years ago?
No, sir, you know, sir, about
5 years
I
ago?
think I'm from about 2017 or somewhere out there.
Eh? And from that, that's been it. Oh, Jamaican people know everything. So what's that you pulling there? What that thing there?
So the shifter cable. It's a lucky.
Okay. So if I drive the car and I stop at a stoplight and I feel it kind of jump off a little like you're ready to jump. And what do you think that is with the gas pedal? Sometimes I put in that park when I at the stoplight, and when I on the brakes, it's like you want to jump off.
Right, transmission I get on.
And the transmission was going bad. Till it finally went bad.
Transmission, that's a transmission go make you jump.
Yeah.
You time me now select properly, jump.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you miss.
Okay.
So something now go right in there.
Alright.
I now flow properly. You can sit there. So through that now jump go on. That's how that's how I built in the bus up here.
Mr. John, what's the best oil you recommend? Yeah.
CVT aisle upstairs.
CVT. And how much you think we should buy?
4.
4. You say 4?
No, I'm not 4.
No, sir.
Yeah?
Buy money.
Buy more than this? How much you use?
You buy about 5 quarters.
5 quarters.
You see right, man, we put in. You know,
Yeah, go on 1 for.
You can use 1 for flush.
Yeah, remember that. But that's it.
Flush
I
is
just put it. Go on 1 for flush. So make you know say I'm dry consistent.
Yeah.
Remember that part.
Alright. See, we're into the right man. I'm
The
gonna buy.
information is there. If I go to the right person, go to the right thing.
Good thing him stop the construction. This is. So you say about 5 bottles?
Huh?
About 5 bottles of the oil we need.
Aisle?
Yeah.
How much we am there?
Probably about.
Transmission has been taken off. Wow. So all them make card and thing, the man them know if we hook them up good. So that's a transmission. So that is just a send electricity to it. The man they have to good for know what the man do. You look good?
Yeah, man. Good one.
Alright. People, this is the transmission. Look nice. Japan it come from. It's a new gangster car thing. I go take a far. Yeah man, drive me to the bar. People see it there. Jamaica Good Life. Get a new transmission. You drink your Wheaties, porridge and cornmeal. You think you can do it by yourself? Yeah? You can't do it by yourself?
One time, not again.
Hey! Alright people, see it there. We get a new transmission from Japan. Yeah? Alright. You want help, so you check my receipt. This is Tyrone. You see, if on a big man out, people, alright.
Yeah.
Right now, this is Jamaica Good Life. It's not a cook life, a push life. This is the best food in Jamaica. We're going into the place, see there? They must set it up nice. They must get a lot of views. We're supposed to get 20% off of all the food because I am Jamaica Good Life. Yeah. Remember, I'm Jamaica Good. You want food to eat?
Yeah, Marcia.
Alright, come for food. You work hard, so it's time for you to eat. Yes, it's the best place in the world for food in MoBay. Yeah, so we're going to see what I want. What the strips. Yes. Yes, sir. People are tired. We're not tired.
Yeah, I feel people come.
Good.
Excuse me. Thank you.
How you doing? What's this sauce for me? People, this is fastest stool for me, King. Please, am I stool enough? Yeah.
Alright.
Give thanks.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
See the people. I'm my own chair. Everywhere I go.
You can use that one then. Well, if I this place for you to sit and probably out there, but you can use it.
What they ask you? Alright, see there, boy. Hey, sit Tyrone there. That's your driver. That's your food. That's your driver. That's your food. Book your ticket early. Call the number and check what them are going to have on the menu when you land. Because when you land in Jamaica, you want to call this number before you book your ticket. So what day you're coming in, then you call your driver. Tyrone, slowly tell them your number.
781 1422.
Good. So you're
So
gonna
here in Jamaica, you're going to use an area code. So you got about 876 781 1422.
This is the cold foot. And let me tell you something. Yardies restaurant tastes like yard. May I forget your first name again?
Glen James.
Glen James.
Glen, yeah.
We're making some Jamaica Good Life awards. Right? I'm gonna give you a 5-star awards for cooking. We're giving out awards to different people, the fishermen and the farmers.
Okay.
So you're gonna get the restaurant award.
Okay.
The 5-star restaurant award goes to Yardies in Montego Bay. For the GoPro. For the curry chicken, the goat, the cold foot, the stew peas.
Yeah, man.
The curry chicken and normal. People, Tyrone, what you say? Now best in MoBay.
So, butter.
I remember say you're the soup king, you know.
Who am I? Butter.
You're the soup king, you know.
Butter.
Tell them say you can make soup and bring it to them. Yeah, to them.
I mean, I deliver it.
Why do you think I roll with Tyrone?
Don't tell me what I want to, I'm going to get it done.
You see this guy, people?
Tell me if you don't want gluten.
The driver, this is our official driver.
Okay.
And you are our official restaurant.
Pleasure to meet you, sir. Pleasure to meet you.
And this gentleman behind you.
You know, they never give us a fork. You need to apologize to us. So,
I was telling you this task if I took this.
you're a technician? Okay. Can I get a side order of cabbage? With a side order of cabbage. Where the plant there?
Cabbage and salad.
You have side order this cut up cabbage? Want some more cabbage? Please. Cabbage, nice. This was a good detour, Charlie. This was a great detour. What do you think?
Great. Greatness never end. You don't need a word of words.
Are you living the good life now, Tyrone?
All the time.
How's your call?
Fantastic. And I just say fantastic.
Can I get some covered? No, no, give me just bring it on another plate now. We don't know where I'm going to do with the plate I wonder if she married. Are you? Thank you so much. You're amazing. Wow.
Trouble, you know?
In trouble.
Trouble.
I'm in trouble.
How is the coffee, man?
Huh?
How is that?
You know, say it good. That's why you like to talk so much.
This one's a new man.
He's a new man.
Yeah,
Him not eat that
some
before.
perspective and
Him not eat already.
Eat already? I made things to bring.
Make it damaging. Yes. The chicken soft. I've been to places with tough chicken, my brother. I've been in places with tough chicken. Tyrone.
Yeah, man.
Tell him, sir.
I reach everyone.
Yeah, that's the good. I'll take it. Yeah, man. So we're on a construction, so we're just gonna try and get this thing ready and paint up and clean up.
For Christmas?
Yeah, hopefully, I really would have liked to do that, but what might hold us up might be the chairs and tables. Because we had a lot in our there looking into the place and school about.
Really?
So it's really like just trying to do this all over again.
Wow.
You're already leaving most of the stuff on this side, but the small things are not.
No, like the tables and chairs, know that it is enclosed.
Yeah.
They will really be desperate to break in and take out chairs and tables because, but it was here before and the place was closed down for a short while and they did that.
Oh.
Upstairs. Yeah, I know. I actually assume who did it.
Because we know this place. We know it, sir. We have to sell food for this street.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's and the camp,
So when we're done and get the floor, we're going to do the floor.
Kyle,
I'm going to be able to touch a roof for now. We're going to do the floor and get it nice and clean.
So you need your sign in here. Your signs in here. Yard, the restaurant inside.
Yeah, we're going to have it there and we're going to put one out there that somebody who comes in the yard can see it as soon as you get in there. So we're going to do one step at a time. Got to just have this thing.
Take your time. Once the food good, that's all that's important.
Yeah.
And you can get some tree stump for people to stump on, you know. Let's get a tree and cut it up. Put it over there, so. Real talk. So it's authentic.
Yeah, it is, and it's unique.
Yeah, if we get some tree stump and people come and see the tree stump, then just sit down and eat. For now.
What's up with you?
You know. So big up to Sandy, car and the other girl, them what? Candy. Hey, when we say bite it, don't fight it. We just want to unite it, put them together and size it up and lick it down. Boom! This is Tyrone. This is Jamaica Good Life. We just had some good food. Big up to Yardies restaurants and whenever we roll with Tyrone. Right now we're going to buy a transmission car, transmission bus out. Remember, Jamaica Good Life car was donated mostly. Aliya put up some funds. Miss Bravo and Marcia. And at the car, we get the old lady our hearing aid.
Yeah.
At the car, we start the movement in a trench town right now.
Yeah.
At the car, we get farmers cow. At the car, we get man driver's license, birth certificate.
Yeah.
At the car, we take Randy around and the car make us see the whole place. So if you don't have $5, it would be nice for you to put on money on the car and then we write the name on it.
Yeah.
Because Marcia name is gonna go on it when we paint it.
Yeah.
Aliya name is gonna be a legendary car because we are doing a legendary movement for uplift Jamaica. And because of that, this is like the Bob Marley and the Wheelers car. You show me I said that carrier spiritually, big up to everybody who helped me. I put 90% of the money down and the other people them come around. So big up to Aliya and big up to Miss Patricia Elliott. What is it now?
I go a pack and get some. I go find some little son.
Alright, do you think? So basically, right now the transmission broke up. And guess who put up the money to help me? My mother. And my mother has been supporting this program. I don't think say Randy rich, but YouTube not paying nothing to her. When they say I work with Holly Button, so what do they say? Something?
Where vehicle is that?
So we're there at MoBay right now. And we start the Black history in a MoBay. So everything we do. Eh?
Find your car.
May I have your phone?
No, me have mine.
Or if something come up
Yeah, you car.
with the car.
Yeah, that is.
So basically we start the Black History Fridays in MoBay. And they get to bad man them, ex-bad man them a watch history now and calm themselves down. They're gonna be getting chips later on. Big up to Terry. Hello. You okay?
Yeah.
Can I help you with anything? We can't help her. You must have a man that can't help her. I thought I could have helped her. So, yeah man, Jamaica love them Christmas, you know. And one thing with them, I say. Santa Claus, them all have Santa Claus and a snow. Them never snow in Jamaica. If you don't want close to buy, see them there. So, here we are. So we did a lot for Jamaica. Quite a bit. And my mother always make sure something alright. So big up to my mother. Many people will have house. The farmers, Bolton get money for go upon farm work. Gaza get him cow. Jason get him. Big up to Jennifer. Lisa Chin King. Big up to all the people, Miss Bravo, Nadine Lee. Everybody will support Angela Burke. The program is great because we do great things, but no greater than ever we're working on the mind of the ghetto youth them in St. James. To reduce crime, you have to increase mind. And it takes teachers like Dr. Henry Clark. So my work is coming to full blossom now. Phase 6. We are Jamaica Health Box. We sell the health products. And now the next step is to make the chips, to get it to the ghetto youth, to teach them how to make money on YouTube, how to make money renting films, how to make money designing clothes, how to make money selling products, how to start a company. We're going to teach them math. So we have to teach the ghetto youth them with a SIM card, history, and economics. And that was my goal. If the government is not doing libraries, television program, the ghetto youth them are going to remain at the same level, because they're mine at the same level, but because we're visionaries with Terry and Iron Ore, you know, and Janet X, all my visionary people, they work with me to put in place the plans that I outlined for them. I went to Terry, I says, Terry, I need a projector. I got the projector to Crudal. Crudal watch over 100 videos on YouTube from Transatlantic, hashtag the new black mind. And when Crudal saw the 100 videos and established his history portfolio mentally. Then he realized what I was doing. Then I said to Terry, we need a TV now. And then Terry got the TV. And then I said to Iron, we needed to cover the tent. And Iron, Good Life, it's not a shrub life.
Yeah.
But the girls, them love the wood life. Hey! You know if I said that right now, stop it. Oh, my baby cry. I'm sorry. What's her name? Tanya, she's so beautiful. This is from Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
I'm still looking for a good wife to have a baby like you. You're so beautiful. Now, whenever you drive in the car, you shake it. You shake it. I'm a daddy too. I have a baby just like you. You say you want to hold it? Let's go to the cash register and get it, baby. When it comes to kids, I'm a daddy. When it comes to kids, ladies, we breed them, you know. I show me the money in a Tyrone, because we have more money, not picking with that car. Daddy, why is with that breed up the wall. I show me money soft right now. Yes, I'm sorry. But I love kids. There you go, baby. So right now, people, we're going to change the transmission. This is the guy you contact in Jamaica. See, he's a family man. So when you have your family, you want somebody to drive you in Jamaica, somebody you can trust. Have $10,000 US in the bus. Don't worry, don't fuss or don't fuss. You don't have to worry.
It's not mine. So
no stress. Yeah. All right, Makusi. When we celebrate 3,000. I did. You know, one of them day after everything settled in, Tyrone, you have to pick me up and go to a party and drink two juice. You know? Hey friends, Tyrone, you say, this man's a family man. So, people, I tell you, I have the best driver in the world. It's because I have 2 boys and I have a little girl. So, give them your number slowly again.
876 781 1422.
All right, this is Tyrone. So this is the guy when my car broke down. I him me at the States. Never had to pay him. Him put in one gas. Him go check my car. Him check it for me. When the car broke down again, me and him tie up rope. Pull the car. Yeah. You see me? And when we go buy get the barrel, and me and Tyrone, and guess what? When money runs short, and $1 we have left, we pray and we make it for the toll for come back. When life get hard, I ain't got teeth fish I see, and so around this year fish here. He might go teach me how to do the fisherman thing. You see me? We go check the sardine on around here. So underneath, this is the man that made me get a bucket with dirt in it for cheap. This is the man who introduced me to a great place to buy a transmission. This is the man who teach me how to move around the marketplace. You see? I remember say when the man move around MoBay, no boy can't chuck off him face, you know. Because the man that used to be in the market. When you think about Scarface, you look on the little baby Scarface, then call him on the street. Baby Scarface! You know, normal, you know. So the thing up and running because Tyrone on the driver, you will be a survivor in Jamaica. You see what I say? So you have to link up with real people. Alright, look on in Sardinia now. No. My mother.
Spring water.
Yeah. So you see my mother's special, you know. She's very special. She's the queen of queens, you see me? So now I can't see too good, but you see no other one in the water, the Brunswick?
Brunswick. Sorry.
Hey, hold up the thing there on the baby, I look feet.
I'm more sorry than the Brunswick. Sorry.
So no water this. Alright, you know, so no water. Okay, so this one in the water.
So grace.
A water in there?
No, this olive oil.
Alright, so this wait, say water.
Pepper in this.
Spring water, right?
Vegetable oil, spring water.
Alright. So I'm gonna check for this one mother. I know she wanted tuna fish in the water.
Tuna fish in the water. So the salmon, bumblebee, red salmon, pink salmon. Tuna, you say, right?
Yeah,
Tuna.
in the water.
Yeah. Flake in the water. Flake, but I flake. In the water. Tuna with smoke flavor. Tuna with sweet corn. Tuna with chili sauce. Tuna with spicy chili sauce. The water.
The only one in the water, the one there?
This one has a water tuna.
So,
Chunk. This is the chunk part, you know?
in the water.
No preservative.
Alright, good. So we could just get this cause. We're good then?
Yeah.
We're good. Boxy. Right now we are changing the transmission. First time, Tyrone. You see me? Remember when I meet Tyrone as a soap man? Now on the journey of Jamaica Good Life. I am take care of it. That's for sure, you know. So once you have some good people along the way, when you reach Jamaica, things will work out for you. You have to make a network connection with good people. So it's part of the program for sure, the ups and downs in Jamaica. But who's around you? That's the key. Who is there for you? Sometimes you have to pay family to do things. And sometimes you don't really have to pay a stranger to help you. So you have to know how to move in Jamaica. Good team, reliable team, someone who's not always trying to trick you every move you make, someone who don't want something every day.
Say, man, if you want that share bus.
Yeah, baby. Where they get baby? Where? Since they left over there?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, now go for the side.
I forgot straight, man. I forgot straight, man. I stay straight, man. Other side, yeah.
Yeah, man. You come on.
Okay.
Follow me till me take the stop.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
I really want to nobody until you go. Yeah, stop.
Alright.
Alright,